Hi, is it time for you to sell your house that you've been in for 30, 40, or maybe 50 plus years? Who knows? It might be time. Are you a snowbird or do you just want to travel and so you'd like to get a maintenance-free home like a townhouse or a condo? Maybe you just want to be closer to family. Maybe you want to stop doing stairs. Maybe for the first time you want a great big updated kitchen, or you want a master bath, and in your current house that's just not possible. Hi, I'm Julie. I'm with Alliance Team Realty, and I work with homeowners like you all the time that have these kind of questions. Maybe you're wondering, can we even get a mortgage? We're retired. Or is there anything even to buy? Or, gosh, we haven't bought real estate in a very long time. What is the home selling or the home buying process? We don't know. How about, hey, we don't want to be homeless, and we know as soon as we list our house, it's going to sell. But is there anything that we can buy? You know what? These are all great questions and they're very common. So I work with, like I said, I work with homeowners that have these questions all the time. And yes, you can get a mortgage. Yes, there are programs where you're not going to be homeless. You can buy a home first and then list and sell your old house. I've got people that can help declutter and pack up, because most people say, gosh, after 35 years, we got a lot of stuff in our house and we might need some help. There are all kinds of resources to help you. So what I would love to do is I'd love to sit down and answer your specific questions. If you click the Learn More button, it'll take you to my website. And there you can put in your address and just get a basic evaluation of what your home might be worth. But you can also let me know that you'd like to get together, because I'd love to meet with you, answer those specific questions, put a plan together. If selling and buying something new is in your future, I'd love the opportunity to help you. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.